How to download apps in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can download apps in your Windows laptop. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So on your laptop, you will have Microsoft Store. So that's the first way you can download any apps or any games that you want. So simply search for Microsoft Store and open it up. After you open Microsoft Store up, you'll find a list of different apps available. You can see trending games, trending apps, and everything. So here you can head over to the apps section as well from the top left, and there you can see different apps, paid and free, available. So you can choose which app you want to download. So let's say that you want this one, LinkedIn. So if I just open the app up, I will find the download option right here. All you have to do is tap on get and the download should begin. And after the download completes, the app will have an icon in the desktop and you can simply open it up from there. And it's that simple to download apps in laptop. So similarly, you can also download games. You can see the games option there. You can find different games available. So yeah, you can download the games and start playing as well. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.